Na legend wey dey eat crocodile alive una dey see so. Make I teach you how to roast your live crocodile. The first thing na to slice your onions. You go slice them like ninja. After you don slice your onions finish, you go come slice your carrot diagonally. You go pack everything near the onions. The next thing na to slice your lamb. You go slice them accordingly. After that one, you go carry the small one wey never ripe. You go slice everything. Carry your utensil. You go take and smash the onion sleeve. Pack everything together. The next thing na to carry your utensil, cut your ginger accordingly. Then use your utensil do stunt. By this time, crocodile go don die. The next thing na to carry all your ingredients, pour everything with iodine. After that one, you go carry like 3 drink of salt. You go pour on top. After that one, you go take 1 bottle of focus. You go take and design all the whole body. By that time, everything go don set. You go use 1 mortar, take put Cameroon pepper. After that one, na to carry egusi take design the body finish. You go use scent leaf take baff all the whole body like person wey dey for car wash. By that time, you go wait make the sun go sunset first, because after that one, you go come carry brick. You go take and do coffin for the crocodile with 1 tipper of firewood. You go take everything, go set am. Na gas you go take roast the crocodile, because candle light no go fit roast the crocodile very well. You go carry your barbed wire on top of table. You go come carry the crocodile. You go come use plier. You go take handcuff am, because crocodile fit go wake up when you dey roast am o. So you gats buckle everything. Then you find 1 person make dem go help you carry am go where the crocodile go die. As you dey roast am, you go use 1 hand dey chop 1 kpogila, and as you dey roast am, you go dey turn am, because crocodile no be wetin dey quick done o. You gats cook am inside well well. As you dey see am, even as you dey cook the crocodile, the oil wey dey for the body don dey come outside. After that, you go come carry like Cameroon pepper. You go take spray am like perfume. If you don spray the Cameroon pepper like perfume finish, you go come wait. By this time, your crocodile go don reach heaven gate. After this one, na to call your family, because crocodile no be wetin only you fit chop o. You go call your family, dey come help you enjoy am. Na the hand dey give Portable, na Whiskey dey chop the tail, na Olamide dey give the neck, na Tiwa Savage na him dey chop the stomach, na Charlie Poppy dey chop the lap. So after this one, you too make you go inside bush or inside water, make you go catch crocodile live. Make you cook am for your family too. Make everybody enjoy am, cause crocodile na better food for better body.